Right, and so you start this side first. Yeah, credit card, smear it on kind of thing, nice and thin. Put it in the gap, of course, and then you can be really technical. Put it on there first, but I just whacked it in. With a credit card, I could show you. So you just smooth it into it. That changes colour. So smooth it in, lovely jubbly. Push that in. Don't push it too far in, but you know, push it nice and in. Then you repeat the process again. Loads on top. Nice and thin. Off you go. And there it is. But just no, how it is. There is a thicker fiberglass, but I didn't want the thicker one because I wanted it to bend and flex. I didn't want it to become rigid, because fiberglass is a rigid material. It doesn't really give, but I wanted some. This was to help the hole really. If the hole wasn't that big, you didn't really need it. But I thought, crikey O'Reilly, you know, it's a big hole. It's a big length, isn't it, of a crack. Sorry for any puns, but so I thought, what the hell? It doesn't cost a lot. It's just thin. It says tissue, God knows why, and it says not to be used on polyurethane, but hey, this is before West Systems came out. This is the best stuff in the world. Okay, West Systems say then you've done all that, and then put some tape across. Okay, perhaps even like a greaseproof paper across there, and tape it down. Because what's going to happen now? You're going to turn that boat over and do the opposite side. But you know, I thought with the with that stuff, it stuck really well. Didn't need to.